This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up art on your Samsung Frame TV. First, ensure your television is properly connected to power and a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, download and open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your device with the television. Once connected, navigate to the main menu and select the Art Mode option to begin customizing your display. To personalize your Frame TV with your own images, open the SmartThings app and go into Art Mode. From there, select My Collection to access your personal photos. You can upload images directly from your phone or a connected cloud service. After selecting an image, you'll have options to crop, rotate, and adjust its position to perfectly fit the screen, ensuring your art looks its best. Once your art is uploaded, explore the extensive customization options within Art Mode. You can select from a wide array of digital matting styles and frame colors to complement your chosen artwork and home decor. Adjust the brightness and color tone settings to match your room's lighting, making the art appear more natural. Don't forget to set a sleep timer to automatically turn off the display when not needed, saving energy. Enhance your experience with advanced features like the motion sensor, which can turn the display on or off as you enter or leave the room. Dive into the Samsung Art Store to discover thousands of curated artworks from renowned artists and galleries, offering endless possibilities for your home. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy transforming your space with beautiful art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.